Hey guys, welcome back to Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we'll cover regular expressions. Let's get started. Regular expression is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Python has a built-in package called RE-module which can be used to work with regular expression. Let's see some most commonly used regular expressions. So here we have match, search and find all. Match method takes a pattern and string as a parameter. It applies the pattern at the beginning of the string and return the match object if found or none if not found. Next, search method takes a pattern and string as a parameter. It matches the pattern anywhere in the string and returns the object if found or none if not found. Find all method takes a pattern and a string as a parameter. It returns the list of all the substrings that matches the pattern. Students are hereby requested to download the file of this lecture from the description given below. In order to use regular expression, we need to import RE module. First, we're gonna look at re.match method. Let's see an example. I'm gonna make a pattern variable and put it equal to Python. Create another variable, let's say string, equal to Python Ninja Bootcamp. Now I'm gonna use if else to determine whether the match is successful or not. So let's say if re.match pass pattern and string as a parameter, within if print a message match is found, else print no match is found. If you check out the output, it will return match is found. But what if I change the string message as welcome to Python Ninja Bootcamp and run the shell again? It will return no match is found. The reason it happened because pattern only matches from the beginning of the string. Now we're gonna look at re.search method. Let's see an example. I'm gonna use the same example, but this time I'm gonna change re.match with re.search. Now if I run the shell again, it will return the match is found. The reason it happened because pattern will match anywhere in the string. Now we're gonna look at re.find. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern variable equal to Python and a string variable equal to Python 111, Python 222, Python 333. Now if I say re.find all and pass pattern and a string as a parameter, it will return the string of all the occurrence of Python. Let's go ahead and understand what is metacharacter in regular expression. Metacharacters are the building block of regular expression. Let's see some most commonly used metacharacters. So here we have dot, asterisk, plus, question mark, curly braces, caret, dollar. Dot matches with any character other than \n. Asterisk matches with 0 or more occurrence of a character. Plus matches with 1 or more occurrence of a character. Question mark matches with 0 or 1 occurrence of a character. Curly braces matches with the number present inside it. Caret matches the pattern at the beginning of the string. Dollar matches the pattern at the end of the string. First we're gonna look at dot metacharacter. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern equal to b.t and string variable equal to bat underscore boat underscore but underscore b \n t. Now if I say re.find all and pass pattern and string as a parameter, it will return the list of bat, boat, but. The reason it happened because dot matches with any character other than \n. Now we're gonna look at asterisk metacharacter. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern equal to ab star and string variable equal to a underscore ab underscore a b b b underscore abc underscore b. If I say re.find all and pass pattern and string as a parameter, it will return a list of a b a b b b a b. The reason it happened because asterisk matches with 0 or more occurrence of a character. In our case, A is followed by 0 or more occurrence of B. Now we're gonna look at plus metacharacter. Let's see an example. If I change the pattern to AB plus, again run the code, it will return the list of AB, A, B, B, B and AB. The reason it happened because plus matches with 1 or more occurrence of a character. In our case, A is followed by 1 or more occurrence of B. Now we're gonna look at question mark meta character. Let's see an example. If I change the pattern to AB question mark and again run the code, it will return the list of A, AB, AB, AB. The reason it happened because question mark matches with 0 or 1 occurrence of a character. In our case, A is followed by 0 or 1 occurrence of B. Now we're gonna look at curly braces meta character. Let's see an example. If I change the pattern to AB curly braces 3, again run the code, it will return the list of A, B, B, B. The reason it happened because curly braces matches with the number present inside it. In our case, A is followed by 3 occurrence of B. Now we're gonna look at caret meta character. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern equal to caret AB and a string variable ABCD. Now if I say re.search and pass pattern and string as a parameter, put the whole method inside the boolean function, it will return true. The reason it happened because caret matches the pattern at the beginning of the string. In our case, AB is the pattern matches at the beginning of the string ABCD. Now we're gonna look at $meta character. Let's see an example. If I change the pattern to $, again run the code, it will return true. The reason it happened because $matches pattern at the end of the string. In our case, CD is the pattern matching at the end of the string ABCD. Let's go ahead and see what is character set in regular expression. Character set matches only one out of several characters. It is defined by putting the character in the square brackets. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern equal to B under bracket AEIOU outside the bracket T and string variable equal to bat, and if I say re.search and pass pattern and string as a parameter, put it in the boolean function, it will return true. If I change A to O, run the shell again, it will return true. But if I take any character other than AEIOU, let's say X, run the shell again, it will return false. Now let's see what happens if I use caret inside the character set. I'm gonna change the pattern and put caret inside the character set, run the shell again, it will return true. If I change X to A, run the shell again, it will return false. The reason it happened because caret inside the meta character matches any character other than AEIOU. We can also describe the range of characters and numbers inside the character set. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern equal to square bracket A to Z, square bracket 0 to 9 and string variable equal to A. And if I say re.search and pass pattern and string as a parameter and put it inside the boolean function, it will return true. Now if I change value of a string variable to A plus, run the shell again, it will return false. The reason it happened because the pattern matches only with all the combination of capital alphabets and numbers. Now moving to the last part of this session, I'm gonna cover the special sequence. So here we have backslash small d for digit, backslash capital D for non-digit, backslash small s for white space, backslash capital S for non-white space, backslash small w for alphanumeric, backslash capital W for non-alphanumeric. First we're gonna look at backslash D. Let's see an example. I'm gonna create a pattern equal to backslash D plus. Here plus signifies one or more instances of a digit, and a string variable equal to welcome to hash Python Ninja Bootcamp 007 dot. Let's get started. Now if I say re.findAll and pass pattern and string as a parameter, it will return the digit 007 from the string. Now if I change the pattern to backslash capital D plus and run the code again, it will return the list of non-digits. Now if I change the pattern to backslash small s plus and run the code again, it will return the list of white spaces. Now if I change the pattern to backslash capital S plus and run the code again, it will return the list of all non-white spaces. Now if I change the pattern to backslash small w plus and run the code again, it will return the list of alphanumeric. Now if I change the pattern to backslash capital W plus and run the code, it will return the list of non-alphanumeric characters. That's all about regular expression. See you in the next lecture.
स्टूडेंट्स सब्सक्राइब करें एसएन गुरुकुल चैनल को Press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial. Comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Next video में हम cover करेंगे
Q&A 7.
Till then, practice and thank you for watching.